I'm going to deep clean my dishwasher, and I'm going to use these dishwasher cleaning tablets. They have a deep clean formula to remove the grime and odors effortlessly. And I want to thank the company Sudstainables for sending me this sample to try out so I could tell you about it. This is a 1-year supply. There's 24 in the box. It deep cleans, descales, removes odor, and is planet safe. So you use this twice a month to keep your dishwasher sparkling. And next, I'm going to take out the filter. This is the filter, and I always scrub that with a brush because the detergent tablets that I've used before don't always get it really clean. So here's my filter. I'm just going to put some dishwashing soap on it and then scrub it with a brush. Now I've got it scrubbed, so I'll put it back in the dishwasher. So I've got the filter back in the dishwasher. And now I'm going to put one of the tablets in. Yeah, I've cut it open. Remove it from the paper, and I'm just going to put it in the door, in the dispenser. Close the door. Now I'm going to set it for a normal wash and start it. The dishwasher has completed its cycle. So here is my nice clean dishwasher. It looks like it did a good job. Everything looks sparkling clean. You might like to try this product for yourself.